Now, I'm not telling a lie. Mas Andrew know that when he hits it right, I'm the first to tell him he hits it right. But he also knows if me not so sure, I'm gonna tell him so me not so sure. The curfew hours. Look here. Some of we in Jamaica, we attention span is that of a red ant, you know. So when you give us curfew hours, you never see red ants, so them run up and all over the place. Yes. So these curfew hours that need maxing out, I can't manage them in a Mas Andrew.
Yeah,
and I don't think it's just me.
Quickly.
Yes.
And then you had to recap it like 3 times. If you have to do it so often, then you know.
We're going to read them for you.
Yeah.
But me I tell you,
he did a graphic that he sent out. Or was it the Gleaner who did it? I think it might have been the Gleaner who did the graphic.
So as of tomorrow,
right.
Wednesday, May 13, the curfew will begin at 8 p.m. So now, today, it's at 6 p.m.
Right.
There are 2 additional hours. So it will be at 8 p.m.
So by 8 p.m. you need to be off the road.
Right. Normally it ends at 6. We've gotten an additional hour. It will now end at 5. So it's 3 hours we've gotten here. Normally the curfew ends at 6 a.m.
Okay,
Now it's going to end at 5 a.m. So we have 2 additional hours in the evening. We have an additional hour in the morning. And that's effective tomorrow,
until
May
13, 24,
all the way to Sunday, May 24 at 5 a.m. Now, May 24, Sunday afternoon at 3 p.m., Tana your yard.
That's the day before Labor Day.
Day before Labor Day, from 3 p.m. And that goes to 8 a.m. on Labor Day, Monday. Labor Day is usually the 23rd, I think, but we must celebrate it on the 20th. We're doing the work on the Monday.
Right.
So, Sunday, May 24, from 3 p.m. to 8 a.m. Monday morning, don't come out of your house. You see, Monday morning, when you come out 8 a.m., you have to reach back in by 3 p.m. and stay there until 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. This is the best way we can explain it.
Yeah, but it's working. Go on.
Good.
And it's a Tuesday? Go on again.
You say Tuesday now, 5 a.m. When you come out of your house, you have to go back in by 9 p.m. So you get 1 more hour on top of what we get this week. And then it's 9 to 5 until the end of May. I'm hoping that helped to elucidate the times.
And then at the end of May, he will announce another set of orders.
Good. So, this Wednesday to the 24th, in by 9 p.m., out by 5 a.m.
In by 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
Yes.
See it there? Out. Put back the graphics.
You're going on maths.
We need the graphics. Yes, thank you. Between Wednesday to Sunday, May 24, in by 8 p.m., you can come out at 5 a.m. See Sunday, after you come out 5 a.m., go back to your yard 3 p.m. and stay there until 8 a.m.
Monday the 25th.
Monday, you have until from 8 to 3 for the little Labor Day work in your yard, because that's where Labor Day is taking place this year. At home. That's what the Labor Day committee says. At home. And then from 3 to 5 on Tuesday, inside.
Yes, Ding, we get it.
And then Tuesday, back to the end of May, going at 9 p.m., out at 5 a.m. Now, I can't do it no easier than that.
Just hold on to this, guys. Find this. The Gleaner has it on its page, so you can just keep looking at it until you're familiar. And if you're not sure, you go and you check it. But I think, Harris, that was a pretty good breakdown. Appreciate that.
I hope so.
Okay. We probably need to put our... Yes, Harold, take a picture of it, guys.
No, I told someone
yesterday. Put in front of a screen like you're doing the weather.
Yeah.
And
I told someone yesterday that a lot of messaging we're sending around in text, but not everybody can read. Not everybody can read. And I'm not saying that to be shady.
No, it's true.
Not everybody can read. And so I was suggesting to them that maybe if they send around a
Video.
voice note.
Yes, or a video.
Because if anything spread like wildfire in this country, you know, it's voice note. I mean, if you don't have the technical thing to do the video, which you can probably just do on a phone. But voice note.
But it can absolutely be a voice note like what you just did.
Yeah, it's a voice note. I realize voice notes.
Voice note is a new
fire.
So
somebody just do a fire and say, hello. Let me tell you what the government say about the curfew time then. And you just give out the and you give out the curfew time.
If you need somebody to do it.
That's the curfew time.
Great.